right everything you were supposed to do. You filed your insurance claim, you documented the damage, and still they denied it. Does that sound familiar? Well, you're not alone. Today, I'm walking you through exactly what to do after a denied claim, how to fix common mistakes, and how to turn a no into the payout you actually deserve. I'm Mendy, and this is my insurance claim expert, powered by Panther Public Adjusting. Let's fix this. Insurance companies deny claims for all kinds of reasons, such as late reporting, pre-existing damage, insufficient documentation, or, worst of all, no reason at all. But here's the truth. A denial doesn't mean the end of your claim. It usually means the insurance company simply thinks you won't fight back. At Panther, we've seen it all, and we win when we challenge these denials. So here's what you do immediately after getting denied. Number one, don't panic. Don't accept the denial as final. Most policies allow you to dispute or reopen the claim within a certain time frame. Second of all, request a full denial letter in writing. You need to see exactly why they denied it. No vague phone call explanations. And third, call a licensed public adjuster. This is key. We'll inspect the damage ourselves, review your policy, and spot errors in how they handled your claim. At Panther, we specialize in overturning denied claims. We just don't know how to accept no. Let me give you an example. A homeowner in Miami had a pipe burst in their wall. The insurance denied it, saying it was ongoing damage. So we got involved, documented everything properly, brought in a plumber's report, and reopened the claim. End result, $42,000 paid out after a complete denial. That's the power of experience and not taking no for an answer. So whatever you do, don't make these mistakes though. Don't sign a release accepting $0 or a low offer. Don't try to fix it quietly without documenting repairs. And don't wait too long. Timelines matter. A lot of people feel overwhelmed and intimidated, and the insurers count on that. But we know how to fight, and we know how to win. So if your claim was denied, don't give up. You still have options, and you have rights. And at Panther Public Adjusting, we're here to make sure you don't leave thousands or tens of thousands of dollars on the table. So comment below if you've been denied. We read every story. Subscribe for more real-life case wins and tips. And if you're dealing with a denied claim right now, click the link below for a free claim review with our expert team. I'm Mendy. This is my insurance claim expert, and we're not just here to inform you, we're here to fight for you.